Now I want to figure out what a time-lapse video is. I'll have to experiment on that later. You're going to ruin the treadmill.
No. Right, put it up.
Can't say I told you so.
Walk around and please anyways, because you're going to ruin the track. The other thing is, both of you need to bring jackets.
You already told us this.
Who's that?
She had it inclined and now she's declining it. Like a trooper. Where is he? Oh well.
Please. Gosh, you're so annoying.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Love you.
Love you too.
I'm bringing along the first Maxwell Ride book because it's in the car, and so you're gonna have to read it.
Okay. Get over here with me. What are you doing?
I'm trying to punch you without actually punching you. See?
Did you get Mother your pills money? If you're not going to do it, let's know, because I know you will do it. It's not okay, right? Did she love her anyway? Or she loved her? Now at the end of the chapter. You're welcome.
We need more pills. Yeah, you know what this is. Aiden, what are you doing?
You can put it down.
Yeah, I know. I just like. Oh.
Is the video going?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here you go, baby. What? Here's like a. Hi, Denozo. I'm Gibbs. Raven, pick up your thingy. That was really smart. You know, pulling me down right on top of you.
Ow.
I hope you got that on video. I really do. And again. Ow! No. What are you guys doing? Video. She's always really aggressive in these videos.
No, I am not.
You gotta go in 15 minutes.
Okay, turn off the video.
Bye-bye.
Meanie?
Love you.
Me or them?
You or both. Both. Bye.